How to fix no sound problem on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix no sound problem on Android phone. First, then open settings and then just go to your apps settings here and then click apps, and here we'll find this point here in the top corner. Click on it and then click reset app preferences and click reset, and then just go back and then just restart your phone and click restart, and that's it. And then just go to the system and updates, and then click software update, and then just check if there is any update here, and then just update your phone. And that's how to fix no sound problem on Android phone. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.